In today's video, let's talk about how to fix the Instagram cannot follow anyone. So if you're having issues following people on Instagram, in today's video, let me show you a couple common solutions that you can try out. The first thing that you can straight away do is try to switch your network connection. If you're currently using your Wi-Fi network, try switching to your mobile data and vice versa. Try to see if this first step fixes the issue. If the issue still persists, the other thing that you can try out is try to clear the app cache as well as force close the application. So make sure you remove the app of Instagram from the recent app list, tap and hold the application and then head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to storage and right here you'd be able to see the option called clear cache being displayed. You can simply tap on it. Also you can tap on the clear data option. This will log you out of your Instagram account so that you'll need to log in back and try to see if this fixes the issue. Now even after doing all of these steps, the issue is still not fixed. You'll also need to ensure that you have not been following a lot of people all at once. If you have been or had been following a lot of people all at once and the error message pops up which states that the action is blocked or you'll need to try again, that simply means that you'll need to wait out at least 24 hours before the automatic ban is lifted. So these are the steps that you can follow in order to fix Instagram cannot follow anyone. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next one.